Oh, where's my sock? Sam, did you do that?
No, there's no one here, no one at all. It was a scary sock-eating monster who did it. Oh, he was so fast I couldn't catch him.
Sammy, don't you know that monsters don't eat socks? They eat eyes of little naughty creatures.
It's not true. I saw the monster almost eat your sock.
Well, let's check if it's true. Let's make a game where you need to feed the monster and we'll see what it's going to eat.
Okay, and you can say goodbye to your socks right now.
Hey guys, for starters, we'll need a piece of cardboard like this one here. We need to cut out this part. Wait, where's the cutter?
The handyman is in town. What do you need to have cut out?
Along these marks. Be careful with the cutter. And by the way, Sam, don't you want to say hello to our viewers?
Hi there. Sue, mark the time. It'll be ready in a minute.
Well, we'll see how he manages it. In the meantime, we'll cut out the same part here.
Phew! I think I made it. Sue, how long did it take me?
Oh, Sammy, I forgot to mark the time.
Guys, you marked the cutting time, didn't you? Comment and tell me how long it took me to cut the cardboard.
Come on now, Sammy. The most important thing is that you managed it. Look at the teeth our monster will have.
I believe our sock monster has teeth just like this.
You think I'm going to believe that a monster actually stole my sock?
Then don't, but when your socks keep disappearing, don't ask me for help.
When socks start to disappear, there's only one thing to do.
Call a monster buster!
Maybe, but it's better to just tidy up.
Oh, well, I'm not taking part in that.
Oh, of course not. It's useless to wait for you to come help me clean up.
Hey, I helped you clean up yesterday.
Sam, throwing a chocolate wrapper into the garbage can doesn't count as you helping me clean up. Cleaning up is so much more than that.
What do you mean I didn't help you? You need to do less tidying up now, right?
Well, if that's the way you look at it, then yes, I'll have less tidying up to do now. That's true.
Oh, more cardboard! I'm ready to cut some more!
Wait, no more cutting. We need glue.
Well, I don't want to glue anything. You definitely know a secret of how to not get glued to things.
Sam, I don't keep any secrets from you.
Yeah, right, like I'm gonna believe you. Guys, let's watch her, shall we? I think she's keeping something from us. I'm gonna know the truth!
Phew, Sam is gone. Now I can finally use the secret technique.
Aha! I knew it!
Oh, Sam, you caught me. Well, okay then. I'll tell you my secret. It's being careful when working with glue.
Wait, so there's no secret?
Nah, no. Watch the monster gobble down ping pong balls.
Wow, that's exactly how he ate your sock!
Sam, you and your joking around. What should I use to make the monster's eyes?
Hey, I can help you. I'm going to make the monster's eyes magically appear. Put this box right here. Oh, Bobbity. Ooh! Oops, I guessed the wrong spell.
Sam, way to go! Now look, if we paint them, they'll make big, awesome monster eyes.
Phew! I almost painted out my magic powers here. And now I'm going to make new subscribers magically appear on our channel. Bibbity, Bobbity, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell button.
While you were casting spells, I finished drawing the eyes. Look!
Yeah, almost like real.
We'll attach the eyes here. Sam, be a dear and bring me a pencil, please.
Pencil? But everything's already cut out.
It's for the secret gluing technique.
Aha! I knew it exists!
Sure, you need to circle the eyes to know where to apply the glue, like this. We'll apply the glue carefully, and no one will get glued to anything. There!
Wow! I'll keep that in mind.
Guys, what craft secrets do you have? Comment and tell us. Wow, you look super cute! Wait, where's Sam? Oh, a new monster! Hey, I'm not giving you my socks.
Aha! So you do believe that monsters eat socks?
Look, Sam, this is a great idea. It will make awesome fur for our monster.
It's because I chased a monster like this today. It shed its skin in fear when it was running away.
You are so brave, Sammy. And now look, I can do some magic too. Voila!
Wow, and that's without a spell even. Not bad for a beginner.
I'm just very able, you know.
Yeah, almost like me. So,
Where did you take the fabric? We need it for the monster's arms.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Okay then. I'll glue the rest of it in the meantime.
Here, I'm an expert in more things than just cutting cardboard.
Wow, Sam, you put wire inside for the arms to bend?
Yes, because it's much cooler this way than just with fabric.
I can't really argue with that. Well, this is what we have now.
Wait a minute, are we all done with the monster?
Nope, we've still got a little bit left to do. We planned on feeding the monster, you know, and not just looking at it.
Well, can't we just stuff socks into its mouth?
Sam, who would like food getting treated this way? What about a spoon and a dinner table?
I've got a spoon and a sock, so where's the monster?
It went for a walk to work up its appetite. And I'll prepare a lawn for our picnic in the meantime.
I think after I watch you glue a couple more parts, I'll finally learn the secret why you didn't get glued to the cardboard yourself yet.
Oh, okay, Sam. I'm going to tell you the secret now.
Hooray!
Are you ready to listen?
Yes.
My secret is that I'm always careful with dangerous tools and never toy with them.
Well, actually, I'm careful too.
If you were very careful, you wouldn't get stuck every time you start gluing something.
Ew, you took all my popsicle sticks again.
Sammy, it's for our monster. We'll use them to feed it.
Weird. I always thought that it's much easier to eat with a spoon than with pieces of wood.
Oh, I didn't make myself clear. We'll make a catapult, and we'll use it to feed the monster. How do you like that idea?
Wow, let's hurry up and assemble it then!
It won't take long. By the way, where's the spoon you brought here? We'll need it too.
Here it is. I think I'm beginning to guess what our catapult will look like.
It'll look like a catapult.
Why do you need this?
Haven't you ever seen how catapults move?
On wheels?
Yeah, right. And what about winter and the snow?
There's no snow now.
Come on, Sam, I'm kidding. It's a special rest so that the thread won't get stuck.
What thread?
The one that you're gonna bring me right now?
You got me confused. I'll go bring a thread. Here's your thread, and let's keep going with the catapult.
We'll put the thread in here. And hop. No need to rush. There we go. Almost ready.
I wonder if you could feed me with this spoon.
Well, only if you open your mouth really wide. Nice.
I can stuff a whole Oreo cookie into myself. Hooray, it's ready! Time to really test it.
Wait, Sammy, we need to secure the catapult so it doesn't fall out.
Oh, I know how to do it. Let's glue it.
Sam, but we need it to move around, so we'll use this circle to secure it.
The circle will glue.
Yes, we'll glue the circle. In the meantime, Sammy, hand me 2 soda caps, okay?
Here you go, soda bottle caps. Why do you need them?
We'll use them to make a comfy handle to help start the catapult. We need to glue a thread ring to one of the bottle caps, like this. And then glue the caps together. This is how it's gonna work.
Wow, not only can we feed the monster with it, we can defend ourselves too if it's gonna attack! And I'll guard your socks.
Sam, you are hilarious. Okay, now it's time to make food for our monster.
What are you doing?
Scary food for a scary monster.
It would be easier to just feed your socks to it.
Why don't you just admit that you're scared?
Yeah, right. I'm not afraid of anything, just so you know.
Uh-huh. And who was sitting under the blanket last time I was telling scary stories?
I was just sleepy. You got me all tired with those boring tales of yours.
Now let's make complexity levels for our game. There will be 3 of them.
I think they will all be really easy for me.
Just listen to you brag. We'll see which one of us can feed the monster better.
it. Let's hold a contest.
The monster is in position.
Eyeballs are all arranged.
Oh, I almost forgot one more thing. Now it's all ready. I'm gonna start.
You've got problems with taking aim today.
I just didn't get a proper warm-up yet. Now let's have a battle. Boom! One more time. Hooray! I think I'm gonna win.
We will have to wait and see.
Oh, yes! Woohoo!
My turn. Make way for a professional, would ya?
Ugh.
Load it. Woohoo! Again!
Wow.
Yes! Right! Oh no! We need another match. Get the shells ready.
Sam!
I told you that it eats socks.
Why did you put my socks in here?
It's just that it likes your socks better.
You're in big trouble, mister.
Oops! I'll get going, guys, before a big furious monster grabs me.
So I'm the monster now, huh? Oh, I'm so gonna catch you.
Only when you're angry. Bye, guys. Subscribe to our channel.